Get comfortable, kick back, let go of fear. Kick off your shoes, relax your feet. This is your place of peace, your creative retreat. Oh, you're always welcome in my house. We're crafting hills, that's what we're about. Back to this creations where joy exists. Take a deep breath in, exhale the stress. Come craft with me, let's laugh, let's mix. A little this, a little that, turn that to this.
Hey, I am late, of course. I know I'm late. It's 18, but your girl had a busy day. Had a wedding to go to, and I came home and do, whatever. So I can come here and be here with you all. But nevertheless, happy Saturday. I got stuff all in my background. One time I get a bigger space. It looks so junky back there, but whatever. Happy Saturday. And today we're going to be designing in, look, I'm so sleepy and tired. I had to go get my hair retwisted, had to go to a wedding. I was up all night, but I had fun. On the live with creating with Tuck, and you know. We had fun last night. If you missed it, go back and watch the replay. It is recorded. But nevertheless, I had to come on here, and we're gonna try to figure it out. I want to do embroidery design and a rhinestone design. That's what I want to do, and that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna figure it out. Look, bear with me because I might be a little slow thinking about it, thinking of what to do, but I'm here with y'all, and that's where I want to be. Happy Saturday. Hey, Border Pair. Hey, happy Saturday. Hey, Beverly. Happy Saturday. And thank you for being a member. Oh. Look, who do we have here? Hey, Katrina. Hey, friend. Hey, friend. How are you today? Happy Saturday. Look at my dad. Hey, Daddy. Hey. Look, did you leave the reception slash birthday party yet? Dad, did you leave it? Are you home? Because I rolled out. I caught the last end of the live yesterday, and you could. I ain't the only one who could have. You can identify another person in the chat who could have. You can identify. I ain't gonna call no names, but hi, Katrina. Hey. Oh, my head is so. Hey. So I am going to open up Embroidery Legacy software, and the words I want to embroider are, I don't know if it's going to work because they might be too big. I mean, the words might be too long, but we're going to try them anyway. And the words are, discernment is protection. They might be too long, but we're going to try them out. Discernment is protection. And it truly is. We discern some things and know how to keep yourself away from certain things and certain situations and certain people. You discern that they're not good for you, or they are good for you. And you know how to hang around the right crowd, to be in the right environment, or whatever. So when you got good discernment, you know how to choose wisely. So I want to do the words, discernment is protection. And we're going to try it. It might be too long, but we're going to figure it out. Hey, Crafting Leo. Hey. Happy Saturday. And you know they, Crafting Leo, we're going to talk about what they did to us yesterday. We're going to talk about it. We left about an hour ago. Okay, then. We had so much fun, Border Bear. So much fun. All in the name of love. Also, I was going to open this program, didn't I? All that equipment in my background, Lord. It's so much. I ain't never changed the Pac-Man, the eating Pac-Man floating across the screen. Maybe I'll change it to blue. Where my phone at? Where is my phone? Where I want to be doing that? My phone may be in the house. Okay, then. My phone may be in the house, so if anybody try to call me, it's not out here. It might be out here and I don't hear it from myself. I don't know. But we ain't gonna worry about that. Hey, Anna Smith. Hey. Hey, Monique. Yep. We're gonna make the rules next time, Cracky. Yep. We're gonna make the rules. I can't even see. Say it automatic. How is it? I can't even see how to. Like what? I don't know what I just did. I don't want to see what's up under here. What did I do? Okay. All right then. It'll be all right. I couldn't see hopefully. It is blocking my light, but y'all don't want to see what's up under here. I had to leave y'all up partying. Y'all partying like the youngest. We partied all night. We was in clubs, hanging out, chilling. Yeah, we had a ball. It was so much fun. So much fun. So much fun. All right. So, um, I don't know. Okay, so let me open up this Embroidery Legacy software and share my screen so we can get started. Because after this, your girl gonna crash for real. Watch it take a long time because I'm trying to go to sleep. My brother told me to get him this hat, but he might just get it because it might be just me. Might be just me. I don't even like skeletons. Who's that? A skeleton? A lion? I like the lion. Hey Jess. Hey Jess. Happy Saturday. And anybody coming in. I think I spoke to everybody, but if I didn't, welcome and happy Saturday. And I have sleep, so bear with me because my eyes about to close. All right. So here we are in Embroidery Legacy digitizing software. And I don't know how to digitize yet, but they do have some words in here that are all, once you type them in, they are already digitized. So we're going to start with that. So, and I bought this software when it was like, they was like in the trial phases where they was trying to do like the, get help, like trying to figure out their glitches and things they need to improve on or whatever. So I think I paid maybe $500 less than what it is now. And I think that was like $800. I'm not sure. But I bought it when they was doing that. And that was over a year ago. And I just really started using it so I can learn how to digitize. But I haven't learned how to digitize yet. But I am watching videos that they have in their embroidery school to learn how. And by the end of the year, my goal is to know how to digitize. And I will accomplish that goal because I have faith and I believe it. Whatever I say, I should have what I say. And I speak it into existence. And I will know how to digitize by the end of the year. All right? Before then, why I can't move the screen up? What's going on? Well, let's just move that right there because I can't see. Hey, Myra. Happy Saturday. How are you? So we got, it's going to say text right here. I forgot how to move the screen over. Why ain't going over no more? I don't even know. Don't look at my desktop. I know I need to clean it off some more. Don't judge me. But I know this supposed to come over some. And it's not. I'm gonna have to figure that out because I don't know what I'm doing. The bottom part is moving, but not the sticks. Okay, I don't know. The other day it was moving. I don't know what I got going on, but I'll figure that part out later. So we're gonna move this one over here, and what I said, discernment is protection. So I'm gonna type. I'm gonna back and go to the text box, properties. Go to the text box and type discernment, and I'm gonna hit enter. And so now the text is generated. I don't know why. Oh, I know because I'm on the computer out here. I think my Zoom is. I need to resize my screen. I think I was on the computer and but no, I used this computer last week. But I got a way bigger monitor. I got like a 32-inch monitor in the house, and this one like a 27. So that might be why I feel like it's I can't move it over or something. In some way, you're supposed to be able to pan your mouse, pan it, and make it move wherever you want to. Is it hold down control? No. Right click? No. Um, okay. I'm using a mouse. Okay. So we're gonna use discernment, and I think I know the font I wanted to use because I played around with it a little bit, but I still don't know if I'm gonna be able to put rhinestones around it. But we're gonna try. So I think the font I wanted to use was I put it in my notes. Well, I thought I put it in my notes. Kindle script and daffodil. Hey Jesse, happy Saturday. And these fonts are already built into this program. And so, um, actually, I did purchase one before the live, but I don't know how to bring it in. It's not showing up on the font list. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to bring those fonts I did. Well, I had points for purchasing this software a while back that I tried to use before the live because it was a different font I wanted to use, but um, I can't figure out how to bring it in. And I didn't have enough time to try to go watch the videos, try to figure it out. I seen one video that said how to do it, but it was from an older version, and they don't update the software like 5 or 6 times. So I'm gonna have to. They got a Facebook group too, and I didn't have time to go try to figure out how to bring that font in. So I put another font that I think that I might want to use. But if anybody got this software, you can let me know, and I don't have to go search it. But I'm gonna search it if you don't. I'm still in the bushes working, no problem. Get your work done. Thank you for joining. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for stopping in. Just hit that like button and get back to work. Appreciate you. Just say Stacey not acceptable. Come on now. It's not acceptable. She can work. She gotta get her work on. I understand. Sometimes you gotta get your work on. Hey, Qualities Creations, welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Happy Saturday. Hey, Up Designs, happy Saturday. Hey, Terry, happy Saturday. Hey, D. Smith, if I didn't speak already. Hey, D. Smith. Everybody, as you're coming in, please remember to hit the like button. And if you got to work in the bushes, hey, work in the bushes, just hit the like button and go and get your work on. Put me on your TV, on your phone, whatever you gotta do. I understand. Sometimes you just gotta get the work done. Oh, I didn't even choose the fur yet. Hold on, let me see. I'm gonna change this to. I'm gonna use a black shirt. Let's just change it to light pink right now. And also, it's in 3D right now. So this 3D, so you can see how it look embroidered, I guess. And if I turn off 3D, it's gonna look like that. But if I turn 3D back on, it's gonna look like that. Okay. I like the little 3D look. Hey Nicole, happy Saturday. I see your name, but did I miss something? I don't know. Oh, it's up there. It scrolled up. I don't miss. Okay. Hey, Bedazzling Designs. Happy Saturday. What is everyone working on? What y'all working on? What? Yeah. What are y'all working on? I'm scrolling back up to see if I missed somebody. I don't think I did. Working on a quilt. Okay, trying to finish that quilt. Go ahead. One day I'm gonna learn how to sew this year too. At some point in my life this year, I'm gonna sew something on my own. Cause we got laser to get for tomorrow. Y'all gotta get y'all laser, yeah. Y'all gotta get y'all laser now. I'm gonna get a laser one day too. I'm claiming all the things. All the things. So y'all come on at 10:30. It's a 10:30 Central time. I know it's 10:30 my time. Or y'all in Central Standard Time. I don't remember, but I know it's Central Standard Time is my time, I believe, when y'all come on. But I don't know what Eastern State. I don't know what time zone y'all in. I forgot. But let us know so we can. Everybody can tune in tomorrow. I'm still playing around with this word because I'm sleeping. Okay, so I said, what I just said. Caitlin put. Am I going the wrong way? Because it don't look like. Okay, I'm going the right way. Maybe not. Why are that fun coming up? Do it start with a C? Let me look again. Oh, it's Kendall. It's Kendall. All right, so let's see. Okay, they come on at 10:30 a.m. Central Standard Time, and if somebody can, a moderator, you can drop their link in the chat, so you can tune in to them at 10:30 Central Standard Time on tomorrow. Katrina cutting a rhinestone tip. The Jessica said, "I'm watching you, girl. What you think?" Hey, Patrice. Hey. Happy Saturday. I had y'all on. Y'all projects was coming out really good. I had y'all on in the background. I seen y'all. I seen what y'all was up to. Up there sewing and sewing and sewing the pillows. Laying down. Y'all had me on a 6-hour line last night at work. Oh, I know how you feel because I'm so sleepy. I'm about to crash because I've been so busy today. I've been so busy. In the bushes, I understand. Because I'm a crash. I'm a crash. All right, in the bushes for a minute. Y'all project was coming out good. I seen y'all. I seen y'all working over there. Hey, Uni. Hey. Hey, Karen. Happy Saturday. And hey to anybody I may have missed. Turn it to my eyes and my sleepiness and not my heart. Not my heart. All right. So I forgot the fun again. Hold on, let me pull up my notes, child. I don't even know if this fun gonna work. This might be too long, like I said, but I'm gonna try it. Kendall script. I thought I was gonna still be out and about after my sister wedding today, but yeah, I came on to the house. Um, this one. So it might be too skinny, but yeah, we gonna try it anyway. Ain't nothing worse but a try. If I mess it up and it don't look good, guess what? That shirt won but $3. It ain't but $3. We gonna try it anyway. So discernment is the word I want to use, and I like that font. I think it's kind of skinny, but I don't know how it's gonna look. But I'm tired too. I'm tired, but I'm gonna push through. I'm gonna push through this thing. Um, hey Geneva, happy Saturday. All right, discernment, and like I said, I got it in 3D to see how it look in the embroidery. But if you turn this, go to the top, and you turn off 3D, it'll look like the embroidery stitching. But I want to view it in 3D because I think it's pretty that way. And let me turn it off to see how it looked though. Okay, and it says that font is 20 millimeters, and then I'm gonna type the word is. So I'm gonna go back over here to the text box, and I'm gonna remove the discernment. Oh wait, I don't know if I shouldn't have did that. I'm gonna go back to the A at the top where it says text. A is for the text. I'm gonna go to add text, and it's gonna give me the word text, of course. And then I have to go type the word is and hit enter. And the font I think I was gonna choose this one was I think it was the depth. Why did I do that? I told you I was sleeping. Oh, I took the word. Hold on, let me type the word back. I need to. I'm an amateur at this software. I'm telling you, I just started using it in February, so I don't had it for over a year, but I need to use it because I paid for it. So is, and I'm gonna click off. Well, no, click back on it, and then I'm gonna go to the font, and then I'm gonna go to. I think I said daffodil. And so I chose some fonts. I bought fonts. Well, I used my points for fonts, but I don't know how to bring them in here. I gotta go research that because I had a font I wanted to use for this. I was choosing it before the live, but I don't know how to bring it in here yet. I'm gonna have to research that because I'm gonna need that font on here. I'm gonna be needing that. So I'm decided to where I think I want it. And I'm gonna move it over to these little two dots at the top to center it. I'm gonna move it like to line it up with that zero right there at the top. And that way I know it's centered. It's probably another way to do it, but I don't know it yet. I'm learning. So do I want this pink? I got a black shirt, and I said I was gonna use like a peach color. I don't know if it's peachy orange looking thread, because I want to use the apricot rhinestones I got. So I think I wanted like this little peachy color, orange color, whatever it is. And we just want to see how it look. Like I say, the shirt was only $3. Alright. I got a whole bunch of them rhinestones. So it ain't nothing for me to play around. for a minute. My Wi-Fi, my screen was just spinning. Can y'all see? I'm probably not gonna unplug my box because it's been acting up for the past week or so. Unplug it and reset it or something because I don't know what's going on. Am I still here? Can y'all still see and hear me? Discernment is protection. I don't know. Ain't nobody saying nothing. Oh, okay. Thank you, Katrina. I don't even know why I would do that when it's like hardwired anyway. That's weird. I don't know what's going on. It froze again. You're back. Okay. I don't know what's going on. But I know Xfinity was working on our internet um, a couple of about a week ago. They said we were updating your area internet in your area, but I guess they outdated it because it's been acting up ever since they claimed it was updated. Um, Add text, and we're gonna go with now we're gonna type protection in the box. Um, I don't know what font I was gonna use for this thing. Everybody had that the daffodil for that one. I'll move it again. Yeah, and maybe that is. I'm just gonna stretch it to where I think I'm. I don't want that to be the same font though. Let me see. See, can we choose something else? Oh no, that's ugly. That is ugly. Oh, now that's too big. Now that's kind of eloquent. That's a kind of thick font, but it's only for one word. Ew, that's too big for ears. I'll keep that font in mind. That's too capitalized. I don't know if I want it to look like that. Oof, it's getting ugly and ugly. Those designs, I know what y'all mean. I ain't work today, but I had to go to a wedding and get my hair retwisted all day long. I can't find nothing I like. Mm, let me hurry find something, cause baby, I ain't trying to be on this all night. Let me hurry just pick one. Like I say, if it's ugly, we just go. It's mine, and it's just a $2 shirt, $3 shirt, however much it costs. I'm gonna see how to bring those fonts in, because I really liked those, and I thought you would just install them like you install normal font, but obviously you don't. Obviously you don't. It's like, girl, I thought it was gonna automatically be here once I press extract files and download, but it wouldn't. It's already 8:41. Oh, I was 10 minutes late. So I'm gonna bring this protection in to match this. It's about 3 squares. I always go by squares. So it's 3 squares over. So I'm gonna bring protection in to 3 squares. Mm, so 1, 2, 3, and it's 3 squares from the right. So I'm gonna bring it in 3 squares, and maybe I bring this down some. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 squares, and this one is over 4 squares. So let's bring them down some. No, there's 3. Maybe about right there, and bring this down some. That look okay to me. Hey Michelle, happy Saturday. Do anybody else have this software, or is it just me? My lonesome self. Number 19. Let's put number 19. It might already be number 19, but 3D, 30, 30. All right, so that's what I want to try. It might be too big. Like I say, it might look all scrunched up, but that's what we're going to go with. Is it too big? Do I need to bring it in? Y'all think that's too wide? It's 9 by 4, 5 by 5.39. Maybe not. I don't know. So now, I don't know how this gonna look, but I'm gonna go to file. Look, I gotta remember what I did. Export image. I think that's what I went to last time. And that's what I was practicing with that font right there. I think that's what I chose. Now I don't know what size I made that one. That's one I practiced with before I came on. And I tried to find a font that I liked it. And I picked it out. So I said, let me just choose this font again, put it in my notes so I can try to remember it. So I don't know what I chose for ears though. But let's go to export file, export image. And we're gonna save this one. We're gonna go to desktop, and We're gonna say this one as discernment is protection. And we saving it as a PNG. And we're gonna save it in a new folder. Hopefully we remember the folder. Discernment is protection. And we're gonna open it. And then we're gonna save it in this folder. And we gotta remember the size. So when I go to Silhouette Studio and bring it in, we can remember it's 9x45 in width and 5.39 in height. And I'm gonna press OK. Hey, Chef Mama Bliss, thank you. We're gonna try it out and see. So let's go to Silhouette Studio. I don't know if it's gonna be how it's gonna look because the word is so long. Ignore my screen because I know there's a ton of stuff up there. I'm gonna clean it back up. I got a video on how to clean up your screen and desktop and put your stuff in folders. And I need to practice what I preach. So I'm gonna go to File, Merge, Desktop. And we're gonna open this folder. And we're gonna bring this file in. Here we go right here. And see how big it came in. So now we need to remember what size we had it. We gotta change the size. So I'm gonna go to the top, right at the top where it says width. And the width was 9.45. And the height was 5.39. In did it change? Okay. 9. So that's the size we have. Hi Jennifer Donaldson. Happy Saturday. Hey Catherine Russell. Happy Saturday. Hey everybody, as you come in, please don't forget to hit the like button. Appreciate you in advance. All right, so let's center this. Look, I forgot how to center. I've been Corel Draw so much using the rhinestone with it. I don't hardly use a silhouette no more. But I have the center button up here somewhere. It must be already centered because it ain't moved. No, it can't be centered. I don't remember. So let's put the way I think it's centered because I forgot what the center button. Is it over here? That's what you, if you don't use it, you lose it. I'm gonna figure it out. I guess I'm not gonna figure it out. Yeah, where the center button at? I don't forgot where it's at, but we just gonna move it up here. I don't know. All right, and we're gonna cut off this little red shading that came in. Hit the If it's gonna, okay, took it off. Yeah, I think my font gonna be too small. Hey, cousin Tough. Hey, happy Saturday. Welcome. Hey, Tracy. Happy Saturday. Welcome. All right, so I'm gonna turn this to a color I can see. Purple. Yeah, this they look good. Oh man, y'all know what? I hope my USB drive out here. I hope I ain't taking out the back of that machine because I forgot I gotta save my Embroidery Legacy files to USB. I can't just Wi-Fi them to my embroidery machine like I do in embroidery. So hopefully, yeah, where's the center button at? Because I need to center this. There we go. I found it. I found it. I found it. All right, so we're gonna open up the rhinestone. No, the offset panel. We're gonna move that over here to the left, and then we're gonna open up the rhinestone panel right here, and I hope this silhouette gonna start acting. It be moving slow, y'all. It be moving real slow when I be online. I'm gonna hit offset. And it's acting real slow right now. Look how long it took. And I'm bringing the distance down some. So the way be tripping. Y'all, why the way be acting brand new? I just want you to bring down the distance. Do I need, I think I updated it. Let's try to see. Oh my gosh. It's just slow, 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 slow. So I'm gonna put I changed that offset to a color so I can see it better. That ain't where I want it. I want to make it smaller, but it's tripping. I'm gonna have to find out how to do this in the rhinestone world software. The silhouette be letting me down. I'm gonna figure out how to do this in the rhinestone world. Okay, so we put one offset in there, and we can mess with the spacing of the rhinestones. Maybe like that. We can go with that because I feel like silhouette finna keep tripping. And then I'm gonna add another offset. And that one came through quick. See what I mean? And we're just gonna make that maybe green. Turn off the red outline. I don't know if that really makes a difference, but I don't like to see it there. And play around with your spacing however you want it. You can play around with the distance if it works. I'm bringing it maybe right here. Okay, let me press save. Let me save my file before it messes up. Save the hard drive. And I'm gonna save it right here to this folder. To it. Discernment equals is protection. Um, let's just put file. All right, so we're gonna add another offset. And this might be the last one we can add because we ain't got no more space. The word to be. We're gonna play around with the spacing of the rhinestones. Maybe spread them out just a little bit. Yeah, so mm, 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 mm. Yeah, I'm gonna have to bring these in some because spacing. We're running out of space. My rhinestone flock only a 12 by 12, and this board is a 12 by 12. You might be cutting it close. It's too close. All right. So that's all we're gonna be able to do because our word too long, and I hope it don't cut any of my dots off when I go to cut it. But that's all we're gonna be able to do because our word is like yay long. So now we can move this word out of here and we can release the stones. I'm gonna click on the orange layer first, and I'm gonna go to release stones. So all of them are individual now. I'm gonna zoom in and I'm gonna add some stones right up in here because there's only one. So I'm gonna copy and I'm gonna paste. They have mass control and the arrow, it'll make one too. I used to know how to do this when I did all over sublimation shirts and had to piece them together before I got that 44-inch printer. I used to know how to make copies and stuff and do all that in silhouette. But if you don't use it, come back, you lose it. So I'm just gonna have to do it this way because I forgot a whole bunch in silhouette. Because I've been using Korean Draw. And I had got that 44-inch printer, so there wasn't no need for me to come in here and piece stuff together. I used to know how to do it fast in a fast way. There wasn't no need. No. But I did convert my sublimation printer to a pigment ink printer because I'm gonna try to make some banners like for weddings and stuff, graduation, and who knows if I don't like it. Y'all know I'm converted back to a sublimation printer. That's all you gotta do is convert it back. I bought the paper and everything for the to try the banners and stuff on. I bought sticker paper. I bought uh, poster board, banner paper. I ordered a banner stand from the TikTok shop that should be here any day now, so I can practice with it. So I'm gonna try it out and see if I like it. If I don't like it, I'm gonna convert that thing back. Alt left click drag on. Oh, okay. Alt left click alt alt left click drag. Okay then, look at Jesse. Thank you. Alt. Okay. Alt left click drag. Thank you, Jesse. Ooh, what I do right there? Oh, why they keep coming up? I don't know why they keep coming up right here. Oh, it's a double? What I did? I'm about to mess something up. Delete. Oh. That's I think I hold on, delete. I think I'm making a whole copy of this. I'm about to jack some up. I'm on the wrong layer. Alright. So I gotta release the green. Release the rhinestone. I'm about to have all these different layers. I hope I ain't do that. I'm like, what's going on? Yep, I remember this now. I hope that still ain't double. I hope that still ain't double. Alright, I ain't gonna spend all day adding more stones, but you can play around with this all day and move stones to where you want as long as it's not gonna interfere with your embroidery design. Donzel says, "Can't believe you're not sorry from the post." Donzel wants me to. He said he forgave me for dissing him in that diss song last night. He posted it under my video, but I told him I want to thank him for you know supporting and everything. But he can forgive me if he wants to. But I wasn't sorry for dissing him in that track. I just want to let him know that I was not sorry for dissing him, making that diss track about it. I'm not sorry, Dante. I'm still not sorry. But thank you for forgiving me if that's what you want to do. All right, so I'm just gonna leave it at that. All right, and I am going to. Yeah, I think some of my stones on the edge gonna get cut off, but I'll hand place them if they do. So I'm gonna group these all together, like so, like that, and I'm gonna go to group and with that group, and I'm gonna right click and I'm gonna click weld. I probably should have welded them first, but I'm gonna group them back together. And I don't know how many stones that was. And obviously I didn't weld them because why I still say I got 530 stones. I have no idea what's going on. It's supposed to say 0 stones right there. That's weird. But we're gonna make sure our words still fit. And we're gonna save this as, oh, let me get rid of this. Dun, 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 dun. I'm gonna get rid of it. Hopefully it work out. I'm gonna delete and I can bring it back in and resize it if I need to. But for now we're gonna delete it and we're gonna go to, yeah, let me move this over again because this show hanging out that door. I know I'm too close to the edge. I can already tell you that. File, save as, save to hard drive. Save as an SVG. Click OK. I'm gonna put SVG right here because you're gonna save it to the same folder, discern this protection. Minimize that. And I'm gonna use Caesar, Juliet, Romeo. That's what we did the other day, chapter 30. And I'm gonna go to new. Jesse said rotate it. Okay, let me go back. Hey Shay Shay. Happy Saturday. Go back to Caesar Romeo. It's still ain't still gonna be too. It still look the same length. It's still gonna be the same way, I think. At the top and at the bottom. Unless I make it let me see if I can use my, I'm gonna put on 12 by, I'm gonna put 12 by 24 mat. I do have a 12 by 24 mat. I need a new mat, however. I thought I bought a new one, but I don't know what my new one is. I wonder if my son came out here and got my mat. Because why ain't he been able to find my mat? He probably did, because he be in there trying to make shirts and stuff. And what is thing that I used to know how to use this. I promise y'all I did. If you don't use it, you lose it. Okay, there we go. Can I put some more layers on it now? Can you put more layers now? Let's rotate it back. I still don't know why them rhinestones not welded. I hope it's not. I didn't duplicate when I was pressing out. Cause I don't know why they not saying. I bet I duplicated something, but we gonna find out. Now I'm trying to do the out thing. Let me ungroup. Yeah. So I should have left them all. that's gonna be a problem because I changed them all the same color. I changed them all the same color, so how am I gonna select one layer? Would I have to start over? Let me see if I can control Z myself back. You're probably gonna say, girl, control Z, control Z. I don't want you to keep blowing me up. I don't know how to do all the select the same color in here. I forgot. I'm an amateur at silhouette again because I ain't used it in a while. I'm biased how you select the same color because I know you know. That way I can select all the orange. Because obviously they ain't gonna let me go back no more. Jesse, you know too, I'm pretty sure. How do I select all the orange? That ain't it. Oh, should I just start over? Would that be easy? Ain't nobody answering me, so I'm gonna start over. It might be my timeline, it might be moving slow. Because it won't let me go back no more. Let me see. Oh. I'm so used to using rhinestone word now. Alright, so it still ain't do it. Karen says panel and select by color. I don't see select by color. Hey, Rand Mad 50, thank you. Oh, panel right there. My bad. Look, I'm so blind. But edit, drop down. Select by color. Thank you. All right. Thank you, Rand Mad 50. Appreciate you. So now can I add an offset? Oh no. What did I do? So why would I match group it all together? I don't want to group it all together. Oh, it only got the on. But why it didn't offset it? OMG. I'll tell you what, it's probably gonna be quicker just to do this. Cause I don't know what I'm doing. But thank you for helping me with the color thing. Okay. So hey Q. Hey, happy Saturday. So we just gonna go with the offset again. Yeah, if it don't take forever again. That's the problem. That first layer take forever. And don't dare try to close it in. Man. It ain't gonna do it at all. Silhouette, what's up with you? Why you so slow? Why you ain't doing what I tell you to do? Alright, so we got an offset. And I'm gonna change it to what in the world? So why did it then it did them separate? Uh-uh. We ain't doing the separate stuff. So it ain't trying to let me be arrayed. And then I make these separate the first time. But hey, let's see what it do. Let's see what it do separate. Cause why is acting brand new now? I think I want them together though. I don't think I want them separate. But I see. Display the spacing. I don't want to do all the words separate. Nah, I'm gonna go back because I don't want to do all the words. I'm gonna group the words. Jesse, I was trying to make the first one closer to the words, but it go too slow. It's acting crazy. But the words group right here. But then when I try to put the offset around it, it's breaking it up. It didn't do that at first. I don't know why it's breaking my word apart now. Is it doing an internal offset? I hope not. No. I had a big offset at first. Oh, if you let me play with it, it's crazy. It's moving some stuff. I'm gonna try to make it bigger. Oh my god. Why are you so slow? You want to let me move the cursor over. Thank you, unbiased, but it's tripping. I have no idea. Then it keep freezing. I'm trying to make it bigger, Jesse, but I'm not sure why Silhouette is doing this. Every time I open it now. Yeah, it want you to bring the word down. Slowly but surely. You don't want me to be great. Yeah, it's slow. It's been slow for every time I try to use it lately. Let me do a slowness update or something. What the world? Oh, gee, I should have left it like it was. When I had it all together. I should have even started over. Oh, I did save an SVG. I will go use the SVG if it don't act right. I will go use it because baby, I ain't got time to play with Silhouette. We're gonna try this again. I'm gonna figure this out in the rhinestone world. I promise you, I'm gonna figure it out. I don't know. I'm trying to make it bigger, Jesse. It won't let me. First time it just came on and let's try this. If not, I'm just gonna Get the one I saved at first, baby. I ain't got time. Not tonight. The way my eyes about to close. Mm. Okay, we're gonna leave those. But I still wanna know why it won't let me make it all together. Oh, I ain't trying to do that. Bear says something wrong with the update. I had to delete it and go back to the previous version. Maybe that's what I need to do because this ain't what it is. Thank you, Barry, for letting me know because baby, this is insane. Insane. Yeah, I can't do this. I can't do this separate. I don't want to do it separate. I don't know why it won't let me. I'm just gonna use the one I had already saved. I can't spend 10 hours trying to fool around with it. If it don't let me weld this word or something together, I ain't gonna be able to do this. What in the world? I'm just playing around with. Oh, don't do that because it get rid of everything. Let me see if it give me an offset now. If it don't, I'm just gonna use one I already got. And that's a negative. Yeah. Well, I say that thing. Yeah, we're just gonna use what we got because baby, silhouette is playing on what they be saying. Silhouette playing on my top. Merge. Open. We're gonna use this one, even though it ain't a lot of cut I mean stones, so it might not be as pretty. But silhouette playing with me, playing on my top. So we're gonna use these little old bitty 3 layers of stones. Cause it ain't gonna be as pretty, but silhouette. I sure hate y'all wanna act up. I did not ask you for no separate layers. I ain't asked you for that. You just act right. I was trying to see if I could. Oh Lord. I was trying to see if I clicked the wrong one, but it's probably gonna be an internal. I really want to add some more stones. That's what I want to do. I want to do that. Let me close it. No. I'm trying to open it one more time and open it back up and see what it do. If it don't work this time, I'm done. I'm just gonna use that what I already got in season, size or season, whatever you want to call it. Design, file. So you don't even want to drag it down. And what I said the size was 9 by 4 5. And 5.39. You know. We're going to go to transform. We're going to center it. And we're going to open up the offset panel again. Then we're going to open up the rhinestone panel right here. It looks like a spider web. We're going to move the rhinestone panel. Oh, well, we got to open the offset panel again because I should have moved one of them in the first place. So offset panel, where are you? You're right here. Okay. So we got the offset panel open. We got the rhinestone panel open. We're going to click on the word and we're going to try to match offset and see what it does. It's so slow. It don't even let you play with it over here because it's grayed out. All right, so have an offset, but again, it's not around the whole. It's still an individual thing. I don't want it individual. I want it around the whole word. And it's crazy because the whole word is clicked and it won't even let you do anything over here. First time it was all peachy. All peaches and cream. I'm gonna try to do the distance again. It won't let me do the distance. It's just stuck. It won't even let me move the bar. Playing on my top. See that? It won't let me drag nothing. Silhouette, I want a refund. I'm with Beverly. I'm gonna have to delete this program and see can I go to the old version because maybe this ain't what it is. All right, y'all. So silhouette ain't gonna let us be great. It just ain't working for us. Um, let us be great when we first started, but it won't let us be great now. So we're just gonna have to use this layer right here that we made earlier. I know it ain't a lot of rhinestones. I know that. I know that. But it's already 9:36. Um, so we're gonna use this layer. We're gonna send design, and we should have been embroidering while we should have had the other file in the embroidery machine while we over here doing this. I wonder how long it's gonna take to stitch out. Keep relative layer. I click on that and then I send. And I'm just gonna line it up to about where I want it. 12 by 24 cutting mat. I have the auto weave box on. And I have it on my cutting mat. 12 by 24. Although I only got a 12 by 12 piece of flock on it, but I don't think it'll matter. So I'm gonna send it to the cutter and bring it down some more. Oh, not like that. Go back. Let me group this because why it ain't grouped. I'm gonna bring it down some more. And I'm gonna send it to my cutter. Yeah, there ain't a lot of rhinestones, but we're gonna roll with it. And return to start position. I don't do nothing right there. I leave it on cut contours and I press OK. This is what we're doing today. Why is this acting up? And it's probably because I had unplugged this Wi-Fi box. I think, or is it on? It might not be on. Hold on. I think it's not on. Yeah, it wasn't on. Hopefully that works. Oh my gosh, it is online. I did unplug this little box out here earlier, but I don't know. It say connected. All because I unplugged the box and plugged it back in. Help. Cutting. What about connection? Preferences. Manage cutter. Hey Vera. Can you ungroup the offset then select the offset around the ungroup it? I'll try that, Jesse. Hold on. Hey Vera, I'm trying to see why my Romeo ain't don't want to cook. Type in the cutter's IP address. Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to see why it's not connecting. One moment. Connect your cutters to Wi-Fi. I did. Um, 1, 2, 4, and 1, 6, 7. All right. I think it's cutting now. I had to go retype. I had to delete the printer and add it back again. Really. So it's cutting, hopefully, correctly. So now we're gonna open up this. Ignore my desktop. I told you I'm gonna clean it up eventually. That mug got so much stuff on it. I should have been cutting it first. When you sleep, your mind don't think fast. So let me I thought it was cutting out the mat. And I still didn't clean my needle, so I probably got a lot of dots to pick out. Let me see if my flash drive is in my embroidery machine so I can save this. All these cameras I got in here, poles, everywhere. If I was using Embrilliance, I could have just sent it from Embrilliance to my embroidery machine, but this software don't let you. At least I don't know how yet. If it does. I don't know what I did. Can y'all hear me now? I think I was trying to unplug the USB drive and accidentally unplug the camera. Sorry about that. Can y'all hear me now? Okay. Thank you. So, as I was saying before, I rudely interrupted the broadcast. I had to save my stuff to my USB drive, and I was trying to take it out, but I accidentally unplugged the wrong thing. So hopefully, let me see what this camera pointing to. They're pointing to the embroidery machine. I got so much stuff plugged up in here, y'all. It's a hot mess. So maybe I can move this one over, this one out. I'm gonna send it to save before I come back over there. What you mean it ain't loaded? I was in one. Oh Lord, it ain't even saved on here. Yes, it is. It ain't on here. It says saved it. It ain't on my USB drive. What I do wrong? It said it was. I don't want to unplug it again. It said it was saved. I don't know what went wrong. It says on here. So I don't know. It's telling me it's on here, but why I didn't go? Why would I went over there? It wasn't on there. Let me try to save it again. Unless I'm supposed to go. Hold on. Am I supposed to go up here? I tried to replace it. Let me try again. File. Hopefully I unplugged the right thing. This time it let me unplug it. It was in the way. I tried. So we're gonna try again. See if it's on here. It ain't coming up. Let me cut the machine off and cut it back on. Maybe I need to update my machine. Y'all, that file is not showing up on this machine at all. The last one I did like this, it showed up. It just want to annoy me today because it know I'm sleep deprived. It won't save it. It won't show up on my machine on this thing. So let's try something else because if I don't, it's gonna be a long night. I don't know why it's not saving it. Let me save it as a PES file. Duh. That's why. Wake up, girl. You're supposed to save it as a PES file. Duh. And then one of y'all tell me that. Y'all know I'm sleepy. Y'all know I'm sleep deprived. Ain't nobody said nothing. It's alright though. Katrina, I bet you knew. Yup. Donzel, I bet you knew. Cousin Tuck, where you at? Yep, you knew too. Where my phone at? Where my little Oh, I gotta put it back in there. Girl, wake up. Trying to get back in here without unplugging everything. Okay then, Katrina, I'm gonna give you a pass. Just as I was getting ready to ask you if you saved the format. I sure didn't, Jesse. I don't know what I was thinking about. Like it ain't saving. What's wrong? It ain't saving. Don't blame me. I just got here. I ain't blame you yet. I ain't blame. Oh, I gotta. Y'all know I have to go eject it the proper way every time because that one time all my files got destroyed and I had to reset my whole computer. I try to eject the USB the proper way because I don't want to go through that no more. Greg had to come through and help me out. Guess what, y'all? The file magically appeared. Some way it magically appeared. Whew. I'll turn my this fan up because baby it's hot in here. I probably should have turned the air conditioner on. All right, so um, let me move this back. Let me get my shirt. Bring it over here. I got too much going on. I got too many cameras set up. Just said, how do you eject the USB the proper way? So if you have your USB drive plugged in, you're supposed to go down to the bottom, like here. See where my mouse is at the bottom? I don't have it in right now, but if it was in, I would click on this little arrow that shows hidden icons, and my USB drive, it will be a picture of it right here in this area, and then I will right click it, and then it'll say eject device, and you just put eject USB, and then it'll say it is safe to now eject your USB drive. But when I get done, I'll show you. Um, so let me start sharing my screen and add this to the stage. Hold on, let me make sure it's in the proper way because so I can get by with all the stuff I got over here. Look, I don't think I'm still gonna be able to get by. Hold on. I'm gonna have to wait till I get on this side so I don't make y'all dizzy. So I'm gonna be all in the way. Yeah, just last time, remember my whole computer got erased because I think I ejected it wrong or something. I don't know, but I don't want to go through that no more. Oh, my head lopsided, but I ain't showing y'all my head because baby, look a mess. Y'all have to deal with the lopsided head because I don't know why I keep doing that. Cause maybe my head too big and my hat too small. Yeah, I used to do that until my computer got corrupted. Mm, hold on, let me see. Look, I'm not gonna even print the design out because I'm not coming back over there. I got too much stuff in my way. I'm just gonna roll with it like this. Now look at all that mess in the corner because it is messy. But I already put my hoop on the my hoop master station, and this is my fan. Y'all here because I'm hot in here, and we needed some cutaway stabilizer. This cutaway stabilizer I have over here. So let me get my scissors and cut a piece. How long we been on here? An hour and 56 minutes. Too long. And I probably cut that too short and big. So let's try this again. I'm always wasting stuff. My phone in the house for real. I don't remember taking it in the house, but I guess I did. So if anybody try to call me, I'm on live anyway. way too big. But it's what it is. And I can't see the comments way over there. I might have to hold my head down and see them right here. I need a ductless air conditioner. I got one in the wall. I just ain't cut it on. I ain't think it was that. I ain't think it was that hot out here, but it's hot. I should have cut it on, but I did. So just putting this on here. I'm gonna bring it up some because we are putting the rhinestones on here eventually. So I think about right there, maybe okay. Yeah, I'm gonna roll it right there. And I got my shirt somewhat even across the top, so I got it lined up with the letter C. And I know I'm to print the image out, the discernment is protection. I will print it out, but I ain't gonna print it out because I don't feel like jumping through all these cards right now. So I'm just gonna hoop that. That might be too far down. Probably too far down now. Yeah, I think it's too far down. So I want to bring it up. Oh, it's gonna be way down here. I'm gonna bring it up a little bit. Or down a little bit. Why it look crooked? I don't know. That don't look lined up. So I think I'm gonna bring it about right there. I might be. I don't know. So about right here is what I'm gonna roll with, and I'm gonna take it off. And then I'm gonna go put it on my embroidery machine. So I'm gonna turn the camera off because I don't want to make y'all dizzy again. Y'all know I can't never control this stuff because it always act up. I don't never know which screen I'm on. So I don't want that screen. So what is that one? Yeah, y'all know I'll never be so we got the embroidery machine and then we gonna need I had that I ain't gonna write it at first, but child, I probably done messed it up. When I started trying to get around stuff. Look, I do not have my printout. So I might be too far up. We're gonna find out. I should have went ahead and printed it out, but I didn't. Should have printed it out, but I didn't. I said okay. And I'm gonna bring it down some only because I think I might be up too high. I'm gonna bring it down a little bit. I don't know if I'm right. So my collar, it might not be 3 inches because I didn't print my little piece of paper out to let me know. So we're gonna roll with this. I'm gonna do a trace to make sure we don't hit the hoop with our needle. I think we're good. I'm gonna do it one more time just to make sure. And I'm just watching the laser go across. Can y'all see it? Yeah, I think y'all can. So I'm gonna use a little peach looking thread because I want to. And we're gonna see how it come out. And that is on needle 3. So I am going to choose needle 3. Press OK. And we're going to get started. And hopefully our rhinestone file printed out correctly. I'm gonna try to choose 2 windows again. I don't know how it's gonna work out. Let me see. Hey, Bowls and more. Just say don't forget about your rhinestones. I probably did. But I tried to bring it down a little bit more. So we're gonna see how that comes out. And there right there. Get our stones. I'm gonna use these kind of apricot rhinestones. I'm trying to get in the camera. I'm gonna use these. And we're gonna see how it came out. I mean the stones we gotta pick out. Why they just feel like a square? I don't know. Cut this out with the Romeo. Okay, not too bad. We got one right here. Another one right here. And that's it. We don't have 2 dots. We should be proud. Yep, Katrina on the 2 dots. On the 2. It could. Excellent. Excellent. We're gonna use our $1.25 trick cutting mat. Well, I'll just do that on there like that. I don't know. Let me move it. But it's stuck. All right. Apricot. I don't know how it's gonna look, but we're gonna find out. Ooh. Black dots right there. Hey, Carrie, you going to bed? Thank you for joining tonight. Hopefully we'll be done in a little while. Should have been cutting it while we was waiting. I was thinking. How many minutes we got? It said it got about 22 minutes left. I was trying to cut on the heat press. I think I accidentally moved. Let me cut on the heat press. I was about to begin. I was about to get to put on that heat press. So it got like 22 minutes. And I'm on 800. If I go to 1,000, it might take off a couple of minutes. A couple, but I ain't gonna do it. Anybody else working on anything now? Or y'all just watching? All right, we might have a couple. We might have to put one in. That's it. We got one right here. And I think we good. Oh, we got one right there. I think we're good. Twenty more minutes. Clean up this list of rhinestones. Y'all ain't working on nothing out there. Y'all tired from last night, huh? Everybody still tired. We had so much fun last night. Y'all gotta go back and watch the replay. Had so much fun. Y'all congratulate Katrina on winning this year, because she will not win again. Congratulate Katrina. Congratulations again, Katrina. Again. Y'all go back and watch the replay from last night. It was so much fun. But Katrina got the trophy last night, but she better enjoy it while she has it. Because next year, I'm going to take her title. And I'm already preparing my acceptance speech a year in advance. Already. Maybe I'll make an acceptance song instead of a speech. We'll see how this goes. We'll see. All right. So, yeah, when I get out of here, I'm going to recuperate my sleep. My daddy told me, y'all kept me up all night last night. He ain't got nothing else to do. I gotta open that stone. Maybe right here. I gotta open that stone job. I can press on. He probably go to bed now. He probably not even on there. Oh, I laid it down quick. Oh well. Laid it down all of it. What you doing, man? This rhinestone that I didn't pick up that's trying to stick to my paper with my bag on. And we just gonna wait for 13 more minutes. Oh, I know that color. That's pretty. That is cute. Y'all know I like neon colors and stuff like that. Neon, turquoise, all the loud colors. Oh, look at him popping out to me. I'm not going to bed. He had to come in to tell us he ain't going to bed. All right then, Daddy. You ain't going to bed. I thought you might have been going to sleep, but he said he ain't going to bed. One of these days I'm gonna get good at this camera work. But it ain't, oh, I see what's going on. Oh, I forgot to run the USB drive over here for Jesse so I can show him. And is very tired. Yep, I am tired. Had to go to a wedding. I had to go to get my hair retired. I woke up at 6 o'clock this morning and I was gone all day. Oh, I can't take it out. Can I take it out? I don't know if I can take it out while it's stitching. Can I? I don't know. If it's on a USB drive, can I take it out? If it's already stitching, I have to wait till it get done. I probably need to wait till it get done. But I ain't gonna try it to find out. So we got like 12 more minutes. 12 more minutes. Ain't nobody doing that. Y'all at work. Everybody just tired. Just tired. I'm tired too. I ain't gonna lie. Daddy, what you doing? We almost finished. I don't have nothing. I don't even know. What y'all think I should do next Saturday? I gotta make some chapter 78 rhinestone design. I gotta make something else for somebody else too. A 60th class reunion, I believe. What y'all think I should do next week? Anybody got any ideas? I could practice on my poster, my banner, since I think my stand gonna be here. But the thing about that is my printer is in the house. It's not out here. My printer in the house. I have to have my two cameras, all the cameras set up again. So maybe I'll do that. Why is having Wi-Fi on? I should have let this say that city trees. Okay, batteries. I feel like I'm screaming over this embroidery. Y'all hear that? Is it loud to y'all? That embroidery machine so loud. I feel like I'm screaming over it. That's what I feel like I'm doing. We shouldn't have that much longer. Okay, we got 10 minutes. Not too bad. Okay, I feel like I'm screaming. Let's go make a silhouette and see if we can fix that problem. Jesse said group. Can you undo the outfit then to make the outfit around the ears make it bigger? Okay. Let's see, said ungroup the outfit around. We'll have to delete it, I think. I can't ungroup. Let's just play around with it for a little bit until we get done with the embroidery. I don't know what's going on with this. I know. I ain't very talkative tonight. I am tired. I'm tired. If you release compound hair, I think it makes it disappear. Oh. What if we will each word by word will? Yeah, it's been a long day, a long night, and a long day. They're around 50. If I will, all of them will it work? Girl. I don't know if this gonna work. But we gonna try it. And it's still ugly. Now, if you work, I ain't gonna know what I just did because I just clicked all capital. I don't know what I just did. Nope, it ain't work. They just want to keep giving me all kind of offsets that I don't want. I don't know. I don't know what to do silhouette. I'm gonna go back to the other version like Beverly said. It's still ain't it. I don't know what to do, y'all. I'm gonna figure it out though, just not tonight. Don't look like it. Anybody else got any other kind of ideas? I don't. I'm all out of ideas of why this is not working. But like Beverly said, it's probably the update. But it worked when we first came on. That's what I don't understand. Daylight saving time on March the daylight saving time next Sunday. Y'all know that. Gonna get more daylight outside. That thing quick. Anybody ready for daylight saving time besides me? I don't like when it gets dark early. I'm just killing time right now trying to find out why this word. Why won't it be turned to sides of my uncle? It's almost finished. Looking good. We ain't get no bobbin. Let's knock on wood. No bobbin breaks. No. No thread breaks. No bobbin running out. Let's knock on wood though. We ain't done yet. Why my heat press ain't went off yet? Then ain't started. It ain't to the right temperature yet. I don't know. We're gonna figure this out on another day. Another day. It ain't working for me. What Donzel at? Donzel tired? Donzel gone to sleep? Donzel's mad because I ain't tell him I was sorry. I told him I wasn't sorry. He checked out early. Donzel, you checked out early? I don't see none, hear none. He probably gone to sleep. He probably been in these streets all day. Donzel, are you Donzel? A Donzel, Donzel. Y'all, all y'all, everybody chat. Let me see if I find my song. Hold on, let me see if I find it. Let me see which one it is. If I go to my email, let me go see if I find it. Let me go do a little search. Let me do a little search. Is this it? Let me see. Nah, that ain't it. Hold on. Let me keep looking. Nope, that ain't it. Oh, I'm not a press one star. Sugar, why you saying, oh Lord? Is this it? Yeah, that's it. Y'all know I'm supposed to win. Donzel. Donzel, where are you? I don't know. They just go whatever they want to go. Let's get. I don't know what they got. Oh, we're done. Saved by the bell. Saved by the bell. Saved by the bell. Whatever, Katrina. Saved by the bell. Let's see here. Okay, I'm turning. I want to make y'all this, so I can turn the camera off for just a little bit. Uh, is that angle good? That angle good? Okay. So let me take this off this embroidery machine. Oh, I hope y'all don't get no feedback. Yep, Donzel probably in his feelings because I told him I wasn't gonna say I was sorry. Donzel, if that's why you left, I'm sorry now. I'm sorry that I didn't say I was sorry. Donzel, please accept my apology. I like that color. I'm gonna leave the stabilizer in. Now, oh, y'all too far down. Hold on. If these trap pots can have no big old legs. I can, if I had a bigger craft room, I wouldn't be so jumbled up. Somebody called Denzel and tell him I'm sorry that I didn't say I was sorry. Tell him I apologize. I take it back. I'm sorry, Denzel. I'm sorry. Dang, that look a little crooked. I don't know. I might need to go. I don't know. It's probably gonna be crooked, y'all. That look kind of. That don't even look straight. Like my embroidery kind of crooked. It's gonna be my own fault though. I'm on the right word. I don't know. I don't. I don't know. Something don't seem like it's not it right or crooked or something. But we finna roll with this. All right. Honestly, let me hold this up for a minute. Yeah, I need to bring it down some. Hold this on. Maybe like right there. Okay, it was me, but it's still seem crooked. I don't know if it's the way I got it on here, but that's what we can press. And that's how it's gonna be. And no, everybody better like it. Everybody better say, I love it, Derica. I love it. I like it, Derica. Even if I mess up, y'all better like it. Cause I could have went to bed, but I said no. I'm gonna come hang out with them. Cause I want to see my crafty family. I want to see my crafty family. It's kind. I like the colors. I don't know if it's crooked or not, but I like the colors. I like the colors. Oh, that's kind of cute. Look like it's hold on. Maybe not. Maybe not. It's a little bit off center, but I kind of like it. What happened? What happened? Hold on. Let me go. let me stop. Let me bring my camera back up because y'all acting up. It look like y'all acting up. What y'all had said? Hold on. Jesse said should be Myron is clapping about my song. Uh, yeah, I love that color thread. Thank you. That's pretty. I like that color. I don't even know what color that is, but I'm feeling the threads. Do you have an extra stone to? Ooh, I might have messed up. Did I move it? Oh, I did, Marilyn. Let me see. Can I take it off? Probably not. Nope, I can't. I can't take it off, Marilyn. I probably can heat it back up and take it off later. Oh, you seen that too? Yep, I do. I sure do. I'm gonna heat it back up and take it off. Thank you, Marilyn. Thank you. Jesse seen it too. Yeah, y'all said what y'all had said. Call Donzel and tell Donzel I am sorry. Oh, that's cute. It's cute, y'all. Except with the exception of the stone on the D. It's cute. But I don't know how to hold the shirt in the camera because it's apricot or whatever it is. Let me see if I can turn the size of this. It's cute. I like them colors. Them colors is what they are. They what they are. If I had my ring light, which is broken, y'all can see it better. But I'm gonna have to get another ring light. I'm gonna have to get another ring light. Discernment is protection, okay? And this, I gotta remember to cut my, like Patrice, to cut my, this, what's it, cutaway stabilizer. But I like it. The word's kind of big, and I gotta, take out this extra, jump, run stitches, whatever you call it. But it's cute. I think it came out nice, y'all. All right. Let me see. Oh, I can take my I think it's called apricot. I gotta go back and look. I think it's called apricot. Peach apricot. Thank you. I don't even know what that thread, what color thread that is. It came from counter thread though. Thank you, Marilyn. Thanks everybody. Just let me get my USB drive and show you. I'm gonna put it back in here. So now it's registering. It's USB drive. You want to say changes? No. Close that. And I'm gonna share my screen again. All right. So I just inserted my USB drive into my computer, and let's say I want to eject it. I will go down here to the bottom right hand corner, click on the arrow, and now you see that picture of the USB drive right here. And it says safely remove hardware and eject media. So I will right click on that on my mouse and click on eject. And now it says safe to remove hardware. And so then I take it out. That's the proper way to eject it. I found out the hard way. And then you take it out. And you don't damage any other files on your computer that way. So I'm told. I've been doing it the wrong way for a long time until I found out the hard way. You're welcome. So I'm gonna have to. I think it's called apricot, but I will double check, Katrina, and I will let you know. So with that being said, we've been on here 2 hours and 47 minutes. And if y'all want to hear that video for Donzel again, just let me know and I'll drop it again. Okay. All right. Anybody have any questions? Anything before I leave? Now it's the time to drop it in the chat or drop it in the comments when I leave. So I got to do those files for Miss Vera and Visionary Creations sometime during the week. So I may do a video or I may come live. Play the song? Okay, let me play the song. Hold on. Somebody call Denzel. Tell him I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, Denzel. I'm sorry. We'll play one more time for the lead. Let's play it one more time. Then we gonna be out of here. Cause I'm finna go take a shower and I'm gonna be in the bed. Mhm. Let me start. Let me see can I find it again. Uh, this it? No, that was Katrina District. We ain't gonna play hers because I'm not gonna do that to you tonight because it's over. But I am gonna play Dunzine. I gotta find it again. See my email. I ain't gonna do you like that tonight. I gotta make a new song. That one's old now, Katrina. That was old. I gotta make some new music for you. Out with the old, in with the new. Oh, my bad. Well, it is what it is. I'm still finna play it. Just how many lives I get? How many lives you got last night? How many do I get? Um, y'all hear it? Why y'all don't hear it? Hold on. Oh, let me see. I don't know why y'all can't hear it. Let me try again. Did y'all hear it the first time? Maybe I gotta figure out how to share it then. Hold on. What? Oh, maybe I gotta click. Mm, So y'all didn't hear it the first time either. Let me see. Let's see, can I figure it out? Can I download this? Dunzel in the corner. Let me see. Trying to figure it out. Dunzel in the corner talking Katrina go in. I said, hold up, sir, that favoritism creeping in. You already chose before it even begins. How
How the jury tainted and we just love
Can y'all hear it now?
all love. We just cracked it for the crown. Hey, I on the beat. Watch me shut it down. Cracked it with the future. Watch me create. Hey, I in my lab. Yeah, I innovate. Building up the community. That stuff I be bringing. Even though he's biased, I'ma still win this thing.
Okay. Let me start it over there.
Dunzel in the corner talking Katrina gon' win. I said, hold up, sir, that favoritism creeping in. You already chose before it even began. How the jury tainted and we just loved in. But it's all love, we just cracked it for the crown. Hey, I on the beat, watch me shut it down. Cracked it with the future, watch me create. Hey, I in my lab, yeah, I innovate. Building up the community, that stuff I be bringing. Even though he's biased, I'ma still win this thing. We see you down there, but this crafty community ring that bell. Bias.
I don't know why I'm playing the other one though with the words on the screen. I don't know, but Denzel gone to bed, so we ain't gonna be able to. I probably said because I told him I wasn't sorry for saying what I said. So if y'all see Denzel, tell him I'm sorry now. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to say that. I didn't mean to tell him I wasn't sorry in my comments. Could y'all apologize to him on my behalf? If y'all see him in the YouTube streets, I'd appreciate it. I would appreciate it. I'm gonna write a speech to Denzel and ask him and tell him I'm sorry. So my next video gonna be a sorry message to Denzel to say I'm sorry for not. That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, Katrina. If you see Denzel in the YouTube streets, tell him I'm gonna write a speech just for him. And I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Denzel. I am for real. All right, so I want to say thank you, you and you, for joining me tonight. I took 3 hours to design and make that embroidery and rhinestone shirt. And I will find out the exact color and let y'all know. And I'm finna go. But before I go, I just want to say, remember to keep the faith. There's nothing you can go through in life that God cannot bring you out of. It was the same God then, He's the same God now, and He will forever be the same God. So keep the faith, and thank y'all. Until my next video or to my next live, be blessed. And I'm out.